Ever wondered why the Blue Angels, the prestigious flight demonstration squadron, don't fly fifth-generation fighter jets? The Blue Angels, a symbol of aerial prowess, have been wowing crowds with their precision flying and dynamic maneuvers since 1946. They currently pilot the FA-18 Hornet, a twin-engine supersonic, all-weather carrier-capable multi-role combat jet. This aircraft is a marvel of engineering, combining speed, agility, and firepower in a sleek design. On the other hand, we have the fifth-generation fighter jets. These are the latest and greatest in aviation technology, boasting advanced stealth capabilities, superior sensors, and integrated avionics. They represent the cutting edge of military aviation and are a leap forward in terms of technology and capabilities. So, with these advanced jets available, why do the Blue Angels stick with the FA-18 Hornet? The Blue Angels currently fly the FA-18 Hornet, a twin-engine supersonic all-weather carrier-capable multi-role combat jet. But what makes them stick to this jet instead of upgrading to a fifth-generation fighter jet? Let's delve into the features of the FA-18 Hornet and a fifth-generation fighter jet to understand why the Blue Angels choose the former. The FA-18 Hornet, the trustworthy steed of the Blue Angels, is renowned for its agility, speed, and precise handling. It's a dual-engine, supersonic, all-weather fighter jet that's versatile enough to perform both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. The Hornet's cost-effectiveness and ease of maintenance add to its appeal, making it a practical choice for the Blue Angels. Contrast this with a fifth-generation fighter jet, like the F-35 Lightning II. While it boasts advanced stealth capabilities, supersonic speed, and high-tech sensors, its complexity translates to higher costs and more intensive maintenance. Additionally, many of its advanced features, like stealth, are unnecessary for the Blue Angels' acrobatic displays. As we can see, while the fifth-generation fighter jet has advanced features, the FA-18 Hornet still holds its ground for the Blue Angels. So why do the Blue Angels still fly the FA-18 Hornet and not a fifth-generation fighter jet? That's the question that we've been unraveling. To sum it up, it boils down to a few key factors. First, the Blue Angels prioritize reliability and durability over cutting-edge technology. The FA-18 Hornet, with its proven track record, fits the bill perfectly. Second, the cost of operating fifth-generation fighters is significantly higher than the Hornet. The Blue Angels, being a demonstration squadron, need to be cost-effective. Third, the Hornet's performance characteristics meet the specific requirements of the Blue Angels' aerial acrobatics. It has the right balance of speed, agility, and visibility. Lastly, the Blue Angels value tradition. The FA-18 Hornet has been with them for decades, and it has become a part of their identity. In the end, it's not just about flying the most advanced jet, but about flying the jet that best suits the mission. For the Blue Angels, that jet is the FA-18 Hornet.